Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate object in Ultimaker Cura. So make sure your 3D model is loaded onto your virtual build plate, as you can see like that. Now left click on the object to select it. Now you see this blue line is around the object, so basically blue frame. That means that you have selected the object, and also you will see on the left side here this toolbar which shows up. Now what we are going to do next is click the rotate icon on the left toolbar. So this is this one, this circle right here, or you can use a shortcut R key on your keyboard. Now three colored hooks, red, green and blue, will appear wrapped around your 3D model. So you can see right here. So now we can move this separately. As you can see, we have red one also, and we have green one. So yeah, now so you can now choose one of these three ways to rotate your model depending on what you need. So red hoop tilts the object forward and backward like that. Then we have green hoop is tilts the object left and right, as you can see. And the blue one uh, spins the object flat on the bed like a spinning top. So now I can turn him like something like that. And I need to fix, let's say, this, as you can see right now. So we can really move this however we prefer. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.